A pressure cooker, $7. You about to do the dang thing. Ooh, I'm about to make some kale and peppers. And when I tell you it's the bomb.
Audra Sinet with Cooking Couture Atlanta, where cooking is sexy.
Hey, this is Audra with Cooking Couture Atlanta, and I am about to make some kale with no meat. I'm on this Daniel fast. This is really what's going to set it off for me. And then I have some garlic, ginger, these mini peppers, Rotel that I put in everything, garlic powder, salt, and kale and vegetable broth. It's going to be amazing. Okay, so you just buy a bag of Kale Greens that's already pre-washed and cut up, throw in the pressure cooker. You gotta have you a pressure cooker. The pressure cooker is everything and a total lifesaver. Now, once you get all of it in there, it may seem really full, but push it down. Put you some vegetable broth over it if you're doing a strict vegetarian type thing. Chicken broth is also great, gives it a lot of flavor. Okay, I wanted you to season it at this point. I'm using kosher salt and crushed peppercorns so I can get some fresh black pepper in there. Then I'm gonna put some garlic powder all over everything and chop up my peppers. I could actually do a whole bag of peppers in here with this kale. It's great. Then I take a clove of garlic. As you break off each clove, smash it with the flat part of the knife and then just chop it up. And then the ginger. This is all so good for you. Garlic, ginger. Put you some herbs in there so that the pot liquor from the greens is healing. It's like a soup. It'll have all these good herbs and minerals and nutrients in it for you, and not only will it taste really good. Now chop it up how you like to chop it up. Put it all in this. This is elevated deliciousness. Okay, so I have my herbs, my garlic, my ginger root, my peppers, and seasoning all in with the kale, and now I'm going to put it on 30 minutes and get this dinner started. Okay, so now it's been cooking. It's been in here for a minute. I like to keep it on warm. Okay, so it's looking really pretty. This is my kale and peppers. Kale and peppers. Smells so good. Okay, so quick and easy in the pressure cooker. What works for me, I let it just stay on warm all day, 24 hours sometimes. I'm trying to be on this Daniel fast. I'm looking at going vegan, but right now I want some chicken and some cornbread. This kale smells so good. I just want some baked chicken and cornbread. Okay, so 30 minutes in the pressure cooker and it was perfect. Delicious. Now, I do keep mine going on warm for an unlimited amount of time. The kale and peppers and Kahlua cornbread. So delicious. It came out great. I was very pleased with it. Super, super tasty.
Ooh, like, subscribe, and share. Let's make it happen.